Jump Nation family, it's your boy here, LOUISA'S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. 8:30 p.m. I've just finished work. As you guys always know, we keep the grind alive on this channel, but I want to basically record a short segment, a short intro, because today's video is going to be absolutely epic. It's going to be fire, and it's a little bit different. It is our first ever collaboration on Rush Athletics TV, but I've teamed up with none other than Louisa Nicola from Australia, also known as the Diamond Boss. This chick is absolutely amazing. Her wealth of knowledge around the mental state, how to unlock people's peak performance is incredible. She works with all types of athletes around the world, and I've got her on today's channel to basically talk to you guys about how to unlock your potential, just how to perform better, how to become unstoppable, and how the skipping rope, how the jump rope just kind of is relevant in your workout. So I'm super stoked, guys. I'm super excited that social media and this channel and you guys have allowed me to connect with people like Louisa. I sent her some speed ropes a few months ago, and I said to her, we need to create something just fire, epic, different, something that's going to get the world jumping, as I always say. And I really love what she's done and what she's created. I hope you guys enjoy it as well. Please leave your comments down below. Drop this video a like. Listen, I just want you guys to be more powerful, better, healthier, and just live a more kind of fulfilled life. Right, guys, so the Hyde Park meetup is happening June the 23rd. I expect you all to be there. If you're in the area, if you've ever bought our apparel, our ropes, please come down. It's happening at 2 p.m. London, Hyde Park. We're gonna meet at the Serpentine Cafe, which is close to the Serpentine River. Please be there, guys. Don't let me down. It's gonna be absolutely epic. And I want to say what's up to you all. Right, so I'm going to hand the video over to Louisa, and what she's going to basically do is just take you through what kind of happens in the background in your kind of mental state, in your mind when you wake up, how skipping is relevant, how it helps, how it benefits, how you're going to feel and how you're going to perform. Then there's going to be a really nice segment on just kind of get you guys motivated, to get you guys up and ready for action. I'm going to catch you on the next video as always, but listen guys, I'm so excited to see you in 2 weeks time or in 10 days time. Be sure to be there. Hyde Park. See ya.
What's up, Jump Nation? It's the Diamond Boss here. For those of you who don't know me, I'm a mental performance coach, and I'm the founder and head coach of Neuro Athletics. We work one-on-one with amateur, with youth, and with pro athletes to develop their mind so they can perform better, think faster, and live longer. I joined the Jump Nation crew over 3 months ago, and I've got to say, it's been one of the greatest things that I've ever done for my mental performance. A lot of you probably don't know this, but your nervous system and your lymphatic system has a lot to do with you feeling angry, frustrated, fearful, anxious, unhappy, groggy, not healthy, not feeling like abundant with energy, not feeling incredible and unstoppable and powerful. And I really love working with the Jump Nation crew and with Rushy especially, because before he introduced me to this incredible speed rope, what I was doing before was I was just bounding, you know, literally jumping up and down every single morning, waking up, shocking and stimulating my nervous system, because the biggest way to change your state, get yourself into a peak performance state so you can feel powerful and unstoppable, is by shocking and stimulating your nervous system and your lymphatic system. Your lymphatic system is responsible for getting all the waste out of your body. The waste that we have in our body and the toxicity comes from our environment. It comes from our thought patterns, and especially comes from the food that you ingest. So if we're not physically shocking our nervous system and depleting all of the waste products in our lymphatic system, then it just stays there. And that's why we sometimes experience brain fog in the morning. That's why we feel lethargic. And that feeling where you're not abundant, you're not, you don't feel vibrant. And we all have those days. I have those days too, which is why I use this great rope every morning to wake me up, to shock my nervous system, to get me from an asleep state, because when you wake up, your brain is operating at 10.5 wave cycles per second, which means you're in that state of, you're still waking up. Everything is your brain is very susceptible to whatever you take in the morning. So I make sure that I wake my nervous system up. I feel powerful. I feel happy before I even start my day. The truth is, it's tough. It's tough to make your dreams a reality while you work 9 to 5. It's tough to do anything, to become a pro athlete, to lose 5 kilos, to gain 10 kilos, whatever it is that you want to do, everything in life, it's going to be tough. Life is a beast and it will knock you down. Every single day it'll knock you down. You know, the biggest thing that stops people from achieving the goals that they want or the life that they want is fear. It's fear wrapped up in bigger fear and rolled with more fear. Fear is something that is so detrimental to all of us. And one thing I know is that if you can break out of this fear, if you can really break out of it, you can understand it and find a way to strangle it every single day. Strangle the negative thoughts, strangle the thoughts that are happening in your head, strangle the not just the negativity, but all of the voices that are coming from your parents, from your friends, from society, from Instagram, from Facebook. If you can suffocate them and live a life that is true to you, be focused, have that tunnel vision focus, I guarantee that you will achieve whatever it is you want. But here's the mistake, Jump Nation crew. The mistake is people listen to this advice and then they think, okay, great, I'll go to sleep and I'll have everything sorted by tomorrow. But that's not the way to do it. The only way to get started on any type of path, on any type of mental performance program, is you first have to make a decision. You need to make the decision right now that you are going to adhere to the person that you want to be. In order to adhere to the person that you want to be, you need to start living differently. You need to live differently from the people around you. You can't look at your friends who are working 9 to 5 and you know, they're happy just to hang out and live that life, because that's great for some people. But if you are here and you are listening to this and you want to perform better, you want to achieve peak performance, that is performing at your peak, that is performing at your potential, that is reaching your potential, then you must reach your potential every single day. And in order to reach your potential every single day, you need to make that decision. You need to write it down. You need to make a contract with yourself. And that's what I did. I said, you know what, Louisa, this is your life. You need to accept the life you have. You need to become self-aware. You need to know what you're good at, what you're not good at, and get into the business of accepting it. I always say that you've got to really understand who you are, what your body type is. There's some people who think that they can become professional athletes or professional basketball players or professional dancers, but they just weren't built like that. Somewhere along the lines we have to come to the conclusion that we are here for a reason, and we need to find out what that reason is. We can't keep fighting. We can't keep bashing on a closed door. We must open the door that was built for us. Once we make the decision, guys, once you've made that decision that yes, every single day you are going to build. You're going to build your mind. You're going to build your life. You're going to create habits that are going to be better for you, that are the habits that are going to be, working towards your goals and your vision and your future. That's when you can truly start getting on a path to a greater vision. A greater vision starts with a better day. Okay? Every single day must be better. Every single day you must be stronger, physically and mentally. And that's why I've teamed up with Rushi, because together we want to build the ultimate human through jump roping, through learning the skills of jump roping, through becoming fitter, faster, being part of a community globally. But in order to do that, we also need to build the mind, the brain, so you can become 100% unstoppable, 100% bulletproof. So in this episode, guys, I'm going to introduce you to one skill, and I want you to listen to this skill. I want you to take notes and I want you to take action. So let's get into it. Hey guys, this video is all about power statements. Now you probably haven't heard about power statements before, but I know you have heard about positive affirmations. Now, positive affirmations is just a sentence that can recondition your mind to believe what you want to believe. It's like I call it a power statement because I use it every morning. I have a power statement and I scream really loudly 10 times. I scream my power statement, and what it does is it gets into my entire biochemistry. It makes me excited, it makes me powerful, it makes me unstoppable, so it makes me feel like I can achieve anything I want to throughout the day. And that's what I want you guys to get into. It's something I get all of my athletes to do. I get them to develop their own power statements. Here's something interesting. Do you remember Muhammad Ali, the greatest boxer who ever lived? He used to always say, "I'm the best, I am the greatest." There was a reason why he said that. He said it over and over and over again is because he was trying to recondition his mind and his brain to really believe it, and that's what he did. He had so much confidence and he always used certain power statements. And if you look into any boxer, you will see that they did the exact same thing. Some of them said, "I'm King Kong." Some of them said, "My soul is made of steel, nobody can beat me." Now, whatever power statement, it's got to be true to you. Whatever power statement you come up with, this is something that I want you to include in your mental performance program. It's key. Now, I want you to repeat your power statement. So, for example, if your power statement is, "I am great and I am unstoppable, nobody can beat me," I want you to repeat this 10 times, but I don't want you to just sit there and say it like, "I'm the best, I'm great, I'm unstoppable, no one can beat me." You really need to feel it. You really need to get in there and you need to say, "I am great, I am unstoppable, nobody can beat me." And you want to really use so much power. You want to get into your head. You want to have complete and utter mental clarity when you say this. So you trick your brain into believing that you are that. Because you are. You can remodel your brain, you can change it. It's like plastic. You can remold it into anything you want. So remold it into a powerful machine so you can overcome any obstacle that comes in your way, and so you can really leave your home first thing in the morning feeling powerful, feeling like you are going to achieve the goals that you want. Every week, your power statement can change. It just has to be something that's true to you. Or you can keep the exact same power statement throughout your entire life. But whatever it is, use it with passion and use it with power.
What's up, YouTube family? The Jump Rope Coach here. Just want to say a massive thanks for helping me build this community with you all. You guys are absolutely incredible. Your support is my oxygen, and all I want to do is create more and more value for you all. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be up to date with all the latest tutorials and workouts coming your way. So without further ado, guys, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.